Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the portable washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a combined capacity of 13 pounds, with 8 pounds for washing and 5 pounds for spinning. This allows for a more efficient washing experience, as you can wash and spin at the same time. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller loads, but may require multiple cycles for larger laundry tasks. Depending on your laundry needs, this difference in capacity can significantly impact your washing experience. The design of these two machines also differs significantly. The Super Deal features a twin tub design, which allows for separate washing and spinning cycles, making it more efficient for users who need to do laundry quickly. However, it is bulkier and heavier, weighing in at 23.5 pounds. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is incredibly lightweight at just 4.5 pounds and has a foldable design, making it easy to store when not in use. This makes it ideal for those with limited space or who frequently move. In terms of features, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub offers basic functionalities, including a wash timer of up to 15 minutes and a spin timer of up to 5 minutes. However, it lacks advanced settings and may be noisy during operation. The portable washing machine, while more compact, also has limited features and is primarily designed for small loads. Users may find that it doesn't clean as effectively as larger machines, which could be a drawback for some. It's essential to consider what features are most important to you when choosing between these two options. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize washing efficiency and capacity, the Super Deal may be the better choice. However, if portability and ease of storage are your main concerns, the portable washing machine could be more suitable. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.